Hi, we're Team Awkard Bun. We've changed directions significantly from our first progress report after realizing that our original plan of attack was too far-reaching for an initial project implementation. We may reintroduce some ideas that we had from these plans down the road, time permitting, but here's the plan that's guiding our current work. Let's jump right into our question generation component. Our first task, generate questions from a document, is quite vague. We've refined this to generate questions from simple predicate sentences found or constructed from the document. Simple predicate sentences are easy to work with. Their structure of noun phrase, verb phrase, followed by punctuation makes them easy to manipulate. However, simple predicate sentences are somewhat uncommon in documents, so to get around this, we use heuristics to construct more of them. Once we've amassed a bank of simple predicate sentences, we do simple transformations on the structure of these sentences to convert them into questions. At a high level, this means inverting the subject and the predicate, inserting appropriate question words, and conjugating verbs as necessary. The mechanics of this process are slightly different for yes-no questions compared to WH questions, so we compartmentalize the logic for each appropriately. To actually accomplish this, we're using NLTK's tools for sentence tokenization, its access to the WordNet dataset, and ability to be a Python frontend for the Stanford parser and NER sense tagger. For question answering, we're using a technique reminiscent of those used in information extraction. Given a question and a document of sentences, we use term frequency and inverse document frequency, treating the sentences themselves as our documents. Using these TF-IDF scores, we merely have to search for the most likely sentences that match the question. From here, the process diverges like in question generation. We handle things differently if we're answering a yes-no question or searching for the relevant factoid. In either case, we have a couple of metrics to determine what the answer is, considering things like how well the structure of the sentences match up and looking up synonyms in WordNet.